Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Udemy courses for free with certificate. It's 100% working and it's also legal. So if you want your 100% free Udemy course with official certificates, there is a legal way to do it. First of all, you will need to understand that many infrastructure offers 100% off coupons for promotions or limited time deals. When you enroll using these links, you get the full course plus certificates for free, just like a paid student. There are a lot of websites that can give you these options. You can visit some legit deal websites like Disk Udemy, which is the one that I'm going to show you in this video, but there are other websites like Real.discount, Courservania, and trickarena.com as well. You can browse categories or use the search bar basically to find 100% of Udemy coupons. And the next step is simply just to start enrolling immediately. Just go and click on the course and it will redirects you into the Udemy with the coupon applied. So as we said in this video, we're going to use the Disk Udemy one. So let's say an example here, I'm going to look for some Python programming mastery from beginner to pro course. So I'm just going to click on that as an example. In here, you'll be able, as an example, to see the price and everything else about it, like the language and publisher and everything. So if you go here and click on take course, as an example, it will take you to another page, and all you need to do is just click on the link and it will take you to the exact page of the Udemy course. So as an example, here's the link, coupon link. If you go and click on it, as you can see, so the price was this, and now as an example, it is completely free. You can just go and click on enroll now. And once you do so, you'll be able to click on enroll now. And as you can see, it is $0. You'll be able to use it right now. And here you are, you have your course ready to use. You can just go and click on start course and you will be able to start using it or learning that course. Of course, you will find a lot of other courses for free in this website that you can go through. So there are like web development, there are editing style, there are every other course that it may come to your mind. And of course, it is 100% and completely free using just coupons and offers from this website. As I said, there are other websites that you can go and check that on as well, but this is the one that I use and more reliable for me. So, an example here, you can find the most used coupons example, and you can find here all coupons. You can go also and click on search to search the specific keyword of the course that you're looking for. As I said, if you're looking for to become a full stack engineer, example, a web development engineer, you want to be a data engineering expert or something like that, you'll find every course that you want in here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.